Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we will unboxing Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. I bought this phone at an online marketplace at price of $140. Okay, the package of this phone looks pretty interesting. From the front, we can see the design has been carrying a screen with a small notch only for camera. On the left, there is Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 writing. On the back, there is some information about phone. On the right side, there is also same writing, Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. On the front, there is the appearance of a cell phone from the front side. Well, let's open the box right now. We open the seal first. Okay, this is the front side of the Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. Still looks all black, nothing interesting yet. On the back there are shades of light blue and dark blue. It looks quite appealing enough to attract buyers for the cell phone at $140 price range. On the right there is a volume button and power button. On the top there is an audio jack. And on the left there is only a SIM tray. Below there is a micro USB slot and speaker. On the front of the screen we can see it has been installed with screen scratch resistant. You can get this directly from the box. Okay, we will try to turn it on first time to see how this phone looks. At the initial startup, you will be presented with interesting photos about Indonesian culture. This is the scratch resistance. We will open it first. Okay, this is the initial look when we turn on Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. Now we will set up first. We will skip the SIM card setting for now. Wait a minute. Please wait. Skip. Click continue. Click continue. Go on. Okay, here it is, the first impression from Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. To see the test and the result of a more in-depth review of Huawei Y7 Pro 2019, consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell icon so that you are the first to know if there is new video in this channel. The back of this phone is glossy, so if you don't use case, the back of your phone will look like this. We haven't checked all the contents from the box yet. We have no idea if there is a case bonus or not. Now we will only try to take a few photos. And you can see for yourself the photo result of Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 phone. Okay, now we'll see what other things are in this Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. Charger, micro USB cable, earphones, manuals, apparently we also have a transparent back cover case. It is a good one to cover the fingerprint trail on the back. SIM tray ejector. Unfortunately, there is no fingerprint sensor available on this phone. You can only unlock this phone with face unlock or pattern, pin, and other standard unlock system. But face unlock is quite fast on this phone. Okay, that's all about the unboxing of Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. Don't forget to subscribe to find out the latest video updates from this channel. We will review more deeply about this cell phone in the next video. If you have special requests that you want to review about this phone, please comment down below. And also click the thumbs up button if you like this video. See you on the next video.